Akshara Ragesh Pillai. I am 9 years old. I am studying in Stoke Primary, year 5. I am learning classical music from Srimati Indira Priyadarshini Vankala. I am just going to sing a slokam on Gurus. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Now I am going to sing a kriti on Mahaganapathim written by Muthuswami Dikshitar, Nataragam Ekatalam. Mahaganapathim manasa smarami, Mahaganapathim manasa smarami, Mahaganapathim manasa smarami, Vashishtavamadevaadivantita, Vashishtavamadevaadivantita, Mahaganapathim manasa smarami. Mahadevasudam, Mahadevasudam, Guru Guhanudam, Mahadevasudam, Guru Guhanudam, Marakoti Pragasham Shantam, Marakoti Pragasham Shantam, Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam, Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam, Mushiga Vahana Modaka Priyam, Mushiga Vahana Modaka Priyam, Mahaganapathim manasa smarami, Mahaganapathim manasa smarami, Vashishtavamadevaadivantita, Vashishtavamadevaadivantita, Mahaganapathim manasa smarami.